Hi everyone, I am Rexon Romok from S1201. For today's video, I am preparing my family emergency bag. I prepared this bag to help my family stay safe and prepared during emergencies, like earthquakes, floods, and typhoons. It contains important items that we need to survive and stay healthy. Being prepared helps us to stay calm and not panic during disasters. These bags help us to respond quickly and emergency situation. Guide question number 1. What is family emergency bag and its importance? A family emergency bag is a bag with important supplies for emergencies. It is important because it helps my family survive, stay safe, and prepare during disasters. It reduces panic and confusion, and it also helps us to respond quickly when emergency happen. Question number 2. What are the contents of the bag and what are the items for? My bag contains food, water, hygiene items, clothes, medicine, tools, documents, money, and entertainment. Each item helps us with survival, safety, health, and comfort. Every item has purpose in helping my family during emergencies. We're moving on the first category, nourishment. This section is for food and water. I prepared drinking water and non-perishable foods and food containers and utensils. All consumable items have expiration dates. To make sure they are safe to eat and drink, I regularly check and replace expiration foods and water. We are a family of 4, and for 3 days we need about 12 gallons of water. Each person needs around 1 gallon of water per day for drinking and basic needs. This helps prevent dehydration and sickness. Next category is personal hygiene. I include toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, tissue, wet wipes, and sanitary pads. These items help us to stay clean and prevent sickness. Good hygiene helps us avoid infection and disease. Staying clean also helps us to feel comfortable during emergencies. Next category is clothing and warmth. I pack extra clothes and jackets. This helps us to warm and comfortable, especially during cold and rainy weather. Extra clothes are useful if our clothes get wet or dirty. Staying warm helps us protect our health. Next category is entertainment. I add books and games. This helps us reduce stress and keep my family calm during emergencies. Entertainment helps us to stay relaxed and less afraid. It also helps pass time while waiting for help. Next is first aid kit and medicine. I include alcohol, antiseptic, bandage, cotton, and medicine like pain reliever, cough medicine, anti-diarrhea, and anti-allergy. This is for treating injuries and sickness. These items help prevent infections and reduce pain. First aid supplies are very important, especially during emergencies. Next category is document and monies. I kept copies of important documents and extra money. These are important for identification and emergency needs. Money can be useful for buy supplies, foods, or transportations. And documents helps prove identity and my family informations. And last category is emergency tools. I prepare a flashlight, whistle, radio, charger, gloves, matches, and especially multi-tool. These tools helps us to communicate, see in the dark, and stay safe. The flashlight helps us during brownouts, and the whistle helps me call for help. The radio helps us to receive important news and updates. Guide question number 3. Are the contents enough to support your family? Yes, the contents can support my family for about 1 to 3 days, depending on our needs. It can help us to survive while waiting for help. It is enough for short-term emergencies. Question number 4. Where should you keep your family emergency bag? I keep our family emergency bag in an easy-to-reach and safe place, like near door or living room. This makes it too easy to grab during emergencies, and it also place that everyone in my family knows. This is my family emergency bag. I prepared it to keep my family safe, healthy, and ready during disasters. Being prepared saves lives and reduce fears during emergencies. This bag helps us to stay strong, calm, and protected in difficult situations. Again, stay safe and goodbye. Thank you for watching.